How you doing, sir?
Very good. You, man?
Fantastic.
Yeah, you speak Spanish?
Sí.
Sí.
Okay.
Tengo un problema con el carro, bro. So, me falla la pompa de la gas,
Okay.
se me descarga, o sea, ¿es normal de que se descargue en un solo día?
No, no es normal. No es normal. ¿Acabas de cambiar la batería?
Tiene como 1 año y medio que la cambié. No sé qué sea el problema, si haya tenido una sobrecarga o no sé, la verdad.
Okay.
Pero la pompa de la gas, cuando echo gas se me ahoga. Entonces no estoy seguro cuál sea el problema, si tenga que reemplazar algunas mangueras o de plano la bomba de la gas.
Okay.
So, no sé si lo puedes checar tú.
So, ahorita hay que chequearlo entonces.
Claro.
Perfecto.
Ready?
Gracias. La salud de tu batería está bien. Yeah. Ahorita ya esperamos 15 minutos y todavía está alto. Debe de estar a 50, ahorita está como 490. Mira, se quitó 21. So, lo que voy a hacer es voy a prender el carro y si yo siento aire aquí que se está jalando, entonces significa que se está mal y está abierto. So right now we're going to do a test and we're going to see if this purge valve is stuck open. Disconnected the connector, it should be stuck closed right now. Disconnected this hose, this evap hose, and basically if I get vacuum here, that tells me this is stuck open and then this is defective, but we'll see. Alright guys, so this vehicle is a stuck open purge valve. We're gonna turn it on right now just so you can see it turns on with no problems. Look at that, nice and smooth. And next we're gonna go to the gas station. We're gonna compare it right after you fill up gas so you can see the difference. Alright, so we just filled it up. Let's see if it starts. Stuck open purge valve. You see that? Sputtering, hard to start. Do it again. Starts, then dies. Do it again. Starts, then dies. So a quick trick for this, since basically what's happening is the fuel went into the gas tank and the fuel vapors are pushing through the purge valve because it's stuck open. It's going into the engine, so the engine's technically rich. So a quick trick that we can do, we can press down the gas pedal, open up the throttle so that more air can enter and we can get this baby started. And there we go. Alright guys, so time to change out this purge valve real quick. Basically you just pull this clip back, which we already did, and then you just pull it out like so. Take this connector out, and I guess we could take this bolt out to make it a little easier, but let's take this clip out here real quick. It came out all the way. You press it in, right, slide out. Let's take out that bolt. quick test. If you blow it through and there's air coming out, it's bad. Test it with the new. Here's the new. Nothing. Can't blow through it. Stuck open purge valve. Okay. Put that in there like so. Slide it in. Nice. Put that bolt back in there. Clip that in. There we go. This one doesn't need this clip here. It's a different design. This one just got 2 tabs on the side. It's nice and secure. I'll slide that in there. Slide all the way in. Lock that in. Put this connector on. Perfect. And we'll just tighten that up. Good deal. So that's in. Secure. Evap hose is secure. Connector is secure. This other end of the hose is secure. Should be good now.